Hello and welcome to another episode of Dunster House TV. Today, we've been invited to look around Lydia and Dean's Terminator Log Cabin. Lydia is a library assistant and her husband Dean is a retired firefighter, but now he's in charge of lighting the fires rather than putting them out. Dean has also enjoyed retirement, using his extra spare time to work on his cocktail making skills. Cheers everyone! This is a multi-purpose log cabin, mainly used as an outdoor gym during the week, then at the weekends it's transformed into a family entertainment space. It only took Dean 4 days to build, including all the internal fixtures and fittings. With the addition of the log burner, they can enjoy the cabin all year round, even in the colder months. With 4 children, the log cabin provides a perfect extra room, especially for entertaining. Lydia and Dean can enjoy an adults-only dinner party with the home bar and enjoy some uninterrupted time away from the kids. But it's not just for adult parties. The kids can also enjoy the cabin with their friends, using it as a cinema or a games room. Look at Lydia go! Lydia and Dean work out daily in the log cabin. You know what they say, couples who keep fit together stay together. Previously, they had to move all the furniture in the living room to do a workout, but now they can just pop out to the cabin and everything is there and ready to go. Thank you Lydia and Dean for sharing your cosy log cabin with us. We hope you and your family continue to enjoy it. For more garden inspiration, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel. Ta-ta for now!